पॉइंट स्टार्ट करूया. एक्सप्रेशन फॉर मॅक्झिमम वर्क डन. So again the question for 2 marks. Derive an expression for maximum work done or work done during isothermal reversible expansion of gas. So this is the work done during isothermal reversible expansion of a gas. So here there is a maximum work will be done. So we have to derive the expression for this maximum work done. So last time we have studied that whenever there is a maximum work done, the external opposing force, that means P external, it should be infinitesimally small. Infinitesimally means very small quantity. Infinitesimally differ from the driving force. That means the P external should be infinitesimally smaller quantity than the pressure of the gas. That means the driving force. या दोघांच्या मध्ये smaller difference असेल, then there will be the maximum work done. Then first we have to draw such a diagram. So suppose this is the gas cylinder which is fitted. So suppose this is the gas cylinder which is enclosed the certain amount of gas, and it is fitted with weightless and frictionless movable rigid piston. So if this P is the pressure of a gas, so last time again we have studied this P is the pressure of gas, and this P external here, this is the P external. This is the opposing force. This is the driving force and this is the opposing force. This is the pressure of gas and this is the external pressure. During expansion, आता या ठिकाणी काय झालेले आहे बघा. So when at constant temperature, when this n number of moles of gas, when it is expanded isothermally and reversibly, then this piston will move in upward direction and it will attain the volume. So suppose V1 is the initial volume of this gas. After expansion, this piston will move in upward direction and it will attain the final position, that is the V2. So V2 is the final volume of this gas after the expansion. So again here we have to note that this expansion it take place, म्हणजे हे जरी मी डायरेक्ट तुम्हाला दाखवलं आहे तरी सुद्धा काय to achieve this initial volume V1 to the final volume V2, this expansion of gas it take place in small different steps. So this expansion of gas it takes place in different steps, smaller steps, and finally then it will attain this final volume, that is V2. So during that each step, ज्यावेळेस या V1 पासून हळूहळू व्हॉल्यूम काय व्हायला लागतो, it going on increasing, then at each step काय असतं, this external pressure, that means the opposing force is infinitesimally smaller quantity. This external force is infinitesimally smaller than the P, that means the pressure of gas. या ठिकाणी काय आहे, here at each step this external pressure म्हणजेच काय, P external infinitesimally smaller than the pressure of gas. Then at each step here there is a smaller displacement of piston take place and there is a smaller expansion of gas take place. Smaller in different steps, म्हणजे ही छोटी step, second, third, fourth, so n number of such steps they carried out during this expansion, that means by increasing this volume from V1 to V2. Then at each step या ठिकाणी काय होतं, at each step the volume of gas increased. व्हॉल्यूम ऑफ गॅस काय झालं, मी प्रत्येक स्टेपच्या ठिकाणी सांगते. दिस व्हॉल्यूम ऑफ गॅस increased by smaller quantity and that is the dV. This is the total aggregate increase in volume take place, but at each step the increase in volume is dV. So this is the infinitesimally smaller quantity increase in volume. Then due to increase in smaller volume at each step smaller work is done. Smaller each step, प्रत्येक स्टेप म्हणतोय आपण, smaller work is done and that smaller work is represented by dW. dW, d means it is infinitesimally smaller quantity. dW, W is the work done but dW is the smaller work done, which is take place at each step where there is increase in volume dV. Then this dW we can calculate as dW is equal to minus P external into dV. Minus P external into dV. हे लास्ट टाइम आपल्याला एक्सप्रेशन माहितीच आहे. त्यामध्ये फक्त आपण काय केलं, स्मॉलर क्वांटिटी घेतली म्हणजेच dW घेतली. सो आता काय होणार आहे बघा, दिस एक्सपान्शन इज रिव्हर्सिबल अँड P is greater, हे P जे आहे P is greater at every step than the P external. आपण स्टार्टिंगलाच बघितलेलं आहे मॅक्सिमम वर्क साठी P ग्रेटर आहे than that of P external. Therefore या ठिकाणी काय आहे, their difference, that means again last time we studied that the difference between this pressure of gas and the external pressure is P minus P external. It should be smaller. That means we denote this as a dP. Their difference should be the dP. And then by knowing such type of expression, then again we can calculate the value of here P external. आपण last time जशी calculate केली तशीच करूया. Therefore P external is equal to काय झालं, P minus dP. Then substituting this external P external value in this equation, we get here dW is equal to minus P minus dP into the bracket and into dV. So again finally by considering that there is a smaller difference between the pressure of gas P and the external pressure, so smaller difference is dP. Then we get finally this type of expression. Then solving this step we get here again dW is equal to, हे dV ने काय करायचं, आतमध्ये मल्टिप्लाय करायचं आणि मग मल्टिप्लाय केल्यानंतर आपल्याला काय मिळणार, सो मायनस P into dV. बघा मायनस P into dV, मायनस साइन ने आत मल्टिप्लाय केला की dP चे साइन काय होणार, पॉझिटिव्ह, सो प्लस dP dV. So finally we get this dW is equal to minus P dV plus dP dV. This dP dV, that means dP is the difference between the two pressures, opposing force and the acting force, that means driving force. यांच्यामधला difference very smaller quantity आहे. dV is again the very smaller increase in volume, so their product is again smaller. Therefore finally we get this dW is equal to minus P dV. So this term we can neglect because it is very small, so their product is also small. So finally we get this is the work done at each step. ह्याच्यामध्ये जर अशा काय छोटे स्टेप्स आपण इमॅजिन केला, so this is the work done at each step during this expansion of gas. So this is work done is given as dW is equal to minus P dV. ठीक आहे, हे अजून इथं संपलेलं नाहीये, हा मिडल पॉइंट आला आता.